Alright y'all, so we are out ice fishing with Blake.
What's going on?
The only thing that we've got today is an ice cold beer. We struggled getting set up. Augers weren't working. Then we got in here. We don't have a fish finder, so we don't know how deep it is. Don't know if we hit bottom. But we put a jig in and a wax worm down in there, and we're gonna jig around and hope we catch something. But in the meantime, we're gonna drink some Spotted Cow. Only in Wisconsin. Had to get the essentials: some breakfast sandwiches and some chocolate milk. Day 2 of trying to ice fish. Yesterday we sat for about 2 hours, got the heater going, was warm, drank a couple beers, got 0 bites, had 0 clue what we were doing. So we're trying again this morning.
Today we got a Vexilar. We kind of see the fish down there and see where we're at on bottom. So we're not in the dark today.
Yeah, the Vexilar helps a lot knowing where you're at and if there's fish down there. Got the heater rolling, got some windows open for some vents so we don't die of carbon monoxide poisoning. We got a good little setup. So hopefully we catch something. All right, so we're set up on what's called Round Lake out here in Wisconsin, outside of Osceola a little ways. Got the Freybill set up here, and then we got another shack over there that Blake's brother-in-law let us use. So now we got 2 shacks set up. Give you guys a little tour inside of this one. We got the heater, turned it off for a second, got a little warm in here. We got hole there, got the Vexilar down there. Haven't marked any fish hardly today. Then we got our chairs. I forgot my other Freybill chair at home, so we pulled one of the ones out of that. But yeah, also some coffee, some chocolate milk, an energy drink. Got the Crocs in case we want to throw those on. And smashing that Spotted Cow. Yep. But we're gonna try to hole hop a little bit and set up in this other shack. And the wax worms that I had done did froze. Guess you're not supposed to leave them outside or something like that. So we got some fresh minnows and crawlers on the way. We'll see if those do any better. So we're trying. It's not going the best. Nice, pull it up.
I don't know how to do this. Hang on. One more time.
Oh. All right.
All right, you gotta be a little bit more firm with him. All right, we'll send him back down.
Little guy, but we got one finally. Nice.
Oh, my hands are all slip.
Slimy hands, Blake, slimy hands. Well, we've been out here since about 8. It's about 3:30, and we've
3:39 to be exact.
3:39, and we have caught 1 fish, got 1 other bite, and we're staying warm. But that's about it. So, what do you think, Blake?
I think it's about 2:30.
So, we're gonna hang out until about 5 or 6 and give it a whirl. Hopefully the bite gets better, but I don't know. We've had fun though. It's been fun. Just BS.
A lot of bonding time.
Yeah, no kidding. Well, we had a fun time at least, nonetheless. Only caught one. Blake and I aren't very lucky at this sportsman game.
Well, next time
Fishing or hunting.
next time you see us, we'll have a pile full
Yeah.
on the ice. We won't turn the cameras on until
Until we got something to know what we're doing.
Let's go get something to eat.
If you guys haven't yet, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out our Facebook and Instagram at Bandit Bill Outdoors. See you on the next one.